Hey, so today I'm going to share with you my 2023 market predictions. And look, the last couple of years, as we all know, has been crazy. We've gone through a pandemic. We've seen even more wars. We are currently in the cost of living crisis, inflation at its highest rate in many years. Interest rates on the rise, the pound being devalued, massive taxation for people like you and I. When is it going to stop? Well, look, this is what I really truly believe. And I'm not an economist, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm only sharing my personal experience of being around business for over 20 years now. For going through the crash in 2008, 2009, having made lots of money, lost money and made money again. And today I'm here having been involved with over 28 millions of pounds worth of property deals in the last 7 years, personally raised over 9 million pounds of joint venture funding, have multiple businesses, multiple teams doing 7 and 8 figures a year. So I believe I know a thing or two about business and what to expect.
American, so welcome to Mr. Leon Ryan!
And this is my humble opinion. Those people that are at the lower income scale, the lower end of the UK, I believe it is going to get really tough for those people. The poorer are gonna get poorer. The richer are going to get richer. Which camp do you decide to be in? And it's a decision that you can make right here, right now. If you are currently in what we say the poorer camp, and you're not making enough money and you're working too hard and you're grinding it out and it's hard to pay your bills and you don't have assets and you don't have other income streams and you are in not the best financial position, then you need to do something different. You need to find a new way of generating income. Those of you that are perhaps here in the top 5 or top 1%, there is going to be absolutely bundles of opportunity. And I believe, and the Bank of England have said this as well, that we are heading for a deep 2-year recession. If not, in my view, a depression. And I truly believe for many people, it's going to get worse before it gets better. And look, I'm not the bearer of doom and gloom. I'm a very positive, realistic individual, and I also know that more millionaires are going to be created in the next couple of years than we've seen in the last 10 years. We are just going through a reset, a recycle, a redistribution of wealth, and with every downside there is going to be an upside. But here's the thing, maybe you were told, get A stars, work hard at school, go get A levels, get into the educational system, go do a degree, get a corporate job, work for many years, climb the ladder, and then retire. Well, pension funds have hit the wall recently. The cost of living is going up. People that are living right now on their pensions can't afford to live. And many people have woken up to the fact that the system, yes, the system, in my view, is completely broken for almost every single person. What is the way out of this? The way out of this is to become an entrepreneur, to have your own business, to focus in on multiple streams of investing, understand how to position yourself better, get better at sales, get better at marketing, get better at building teams. Write this down, everyone. Income follows assets. The more assets you have, the more income that will be generated. And I've personally done some of my best deals in the last couple of years. Some of my personal graduates, they have doubled, tripled, quadrupled, 5, 6 times the size of their property portfolios. And my prediction is that we will be seeing a correction in the marketplace in property. We are going to be able to get property even cheaper in the next few months, certainly the next year, than we have today. The demand for rental units, in my view, is going to increase. The demand is going to increase. We are not building enough homes here in the UK, so the rental will increase. I think a lot of tired landlords, where interest rates have gone up, where people still own their portfolios in their personal names and they're not able to offset the mortgage interest payment, there's going to be properties flogging to the market. There's going to be more motivated sellers out there, more motivated landlords out there. Now is the time to get ready for a big couple of years of massive success. Every property strategy will work in my view. Flips could be more challenging, but if you buy the right property at the right price in the right location, there's the right demand, then that is still a great opportunity. You've got rent to rent, single lets, houses in multiple occupancy, land development, commercial conversions. People here in the UK, they still need a roof over their head. People still need affordable accommodation. So if I was watching this now, brand new to wealth, brand new to property, brand new to business, I would be very excited. What have you got to do? Get the right education. Get around the right people. We are in our 8th year now, Assets for Life, as the UK's leading property business and wealth training organisation. Thousands and thousands of successful graduates, all getting amazing results in some shape or form, being more confident, making more money, building a legacy for their futures. So I truly believe there's going to be opportunity. I also believe more people than ever before are going to need help. I also believe the information and educational sectors are going to boom. People are looking for help, people are looking for support. There are ways in which you can package up your knowledge, turn your passion into profession. There are other different asset classes. There are other investments that you can also put your money into. The key thing over these next 1 or 2 years is to actually become an investor. I'm not saying a job or a business is bad, and hey, if you've got a great job and you love it, brilliant. But if you are only relying on just 1 or 2 income streams coming in from your household, into your household, from a job or business, well, what happens if you get sick? What happens if there's a law change? What happens? How do you combat this? Multiple streams of income, different asset classes, different property strategies, different avenues where you can start to make money while you sleep. Hey, do you like the idea of making money while you sleep? Good. Well, in order to do that, you've got to do something different while you are awake first. So get yourself educated. Do not do the same that you've always done. Do not do the same that you've always done. There's going to be a lot of money to be made in property and business over the next 1 or 2 years, but you've got to know what to do, how to do it. You've got to see the opportunity, seize the opportunity. You've got to put yourself in the right place with the right people at the right time. You've got to get more creative. Position yourself better, get better at sales and marketing and raising joint venture funding. And if you can just change from where you are now and go down a different route, then you could have the most incredible couple of years and get yourself, with some hours, with some hard work, rolling those sleeves up with determination, you can get yourself into a position where you are building a very successful property portfolio. My target for the next 12 months is to go and buy at least 10 properties, at least, plus continue to do slightly bigger deals. You've just got to make sure you're getting something below market value, where you can also create a win-win with the landlord or the seller, and also in an area where there is massive demand. So do not be scared, my friends. If I can do it, you can definitely do it. So my prediction is, yes, it's going to get tough for many people. Choose the wealthy camp rather than the poor camp. Do something different, and you can have an incredible 2 years. If you're new to my channel, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, and I'll see you on the other side.